cheap, a little over $10 cap to go on the Dizzy. Since I failed miserably with the other external setup, I'm gonna keep it internal and just dress it up. It ain't gonna be anything super quick this season, but next season's when I'm gonna take it serious. This is what we got. Got it for dirt cheap. It's whatever. I'm not looking for any gains. I'm looking for fucking looking for some pizzazz. I'm on a trucker. So distributor cap from 3A Racing. Ultra performance. Ultra. And for VTAC. Alright. Let's fucking teleport to outside, shall we? Alright. We're out here. I'm gonna get rid of this and put on the other cap. Shit gonna pop. Alright. So let's fucking do it. So what we need to do here is there's 3 screws, 1, 2, and then there's one right here on Phillips head. Also, when you do this shit, don't forget your firing order, because I've had that happen to me one time before, and I was fucking over doing the matching game, you know what I mean? Trying to figure out what order this bitch for. Well, not this one, my B18 that I had in my Civic. Let's do this. Let's get it. I'm gonna prop this up somewhere and I'm gonna start recording.
Pop up out the cup with a slut, and she got a gun. Pussy boy run up, you get slumped, cause I got my pump. Bitch, we doing hits, don't get touched. Push you in the trunk, pull up in a van or a truck, let that semi dump. Pop up out the cup with a slut, and she got a gun. Pussy boy run up, you get slumped, cause I got my pump. Bitch, we doing hits, don't get touched. Push you in the trunk, pull up in a van or a truck, let that semi dump. Pull up in a van or a truck, let that semi dump. Yo, bitch is a slut, she gon' suck, and she eating nut. I'ma do my dance in this bitch, ignorant as fuck. If you wish your gang in this bitch, we gon' wet you up. I'ma run it up, count it up, get into these stacks, smuggling a pack from the trap. I heard you's a rat, pockets looking fat, you get robbed.
This is what it looks like with it all on. Looks pretty good. This bolt's fucked up, so I'm gonna leave that in there until I fix it. Other than that, it looks lit. Looks really good. Probably post something on my Instagram at nighttime with the, cause it's clear. That'd be pretty dope. Like and subscribe for more shit. Cue the burnouts.
Pop up out the cup with a slut, and she got a gun. Pussy boy run up, you get slumped, cause I got my pump. Bitch, we doing hits, don't get touched. Push you in the trunk, pull up in a van or a truck, let that semi dump. Pop up out the cup with a slut, and she got a gun.